the options that has been particularly grayed out at this point using the pen or the shape tool is the merge shape components tool. And I'm going to just delete my clipping mask there and show you what I mean. I'm going to go to my path selection tool, and what you can see here is I actually still have the different shapes that have gone to make up this particular component. I've got the skull and I can move that, or I've got the eye socket and I can move that. And this is rather simple at this point, but at some point I may wish to create a single custom shape for this. So what I can do with that is select on my shape in its entirety, or just drag that over my entire shape, or shift select the different shapes. I can now go to the drop down here and go to merge shape components. Once I do that, I now no longer have access to all of the individual parts. I can't move that eye socket around as an individual shape now, and it is tied into that as an entity. One of the cool things I can do though is if I right click and go to define custom shape, I can give it a name and press OK, and this will define it in this particular copy of Photoshop as a custom shape. So I can go to my shape tools, go to custom shape tool, here they are here, and if I scroll down to the bottom, there we'll see is the shape that I've just created, and I can go ahead and create that shape again and again and again. And I can also change things like the fill and stroke and other aspects of that. So it is kind of handy, particularly if you have multiple shapes that you wish to create again and again and keep them as continual assets.